Alright guys, sorry about that. Wonderful, wonderful Windows 7. So, I gotta love it when you get a blue screen of death and it just pops off on you. So, anywho, what I was trying to say is that Carl's over in Asia right now. He's working on a couple of things, and no, I do not want to restart my computer for this. No, good. Come on, go away. So, um, okay. Uh, I'm setting up a forum so users can start the forum. Um, yes. Yes, we have decosted. In fact, it's already up there. Let me go ahead and give you the. If everyone goes to it right now, it's fine. Give me 1 second. And let me see if I can pull it up. It's going a little slow tonight. Okay. They took it down. So it's not quite ready for prime time, guys. So I do apologize. Um, yeah. Anywho, so decosted, yes. Um, that is what we're trying to pull together at this point. DB Nicholson. Let's see. Yes. The Quiet Storm cost as of right now, which is what DB Nicholson is asking about. Um, there's a couple of things about that. The very first thing about the Quiet Storm is that they are available. Um, we're selling them basically for $125, and for what's going to be going out there for everybody else, if you want to print off your own, you're most certainly welcome to do so. Trying to get HYREL, a new website for HYREL, up and running, which will allow us to do a little bit of file transfer, specifically when it comes to the STL files to make those particular pieces for the Quiet Storm. So we have a couple right now in stock, but just keep in mind that even though they're in stock, they're actually already spoken for. So I'll have to make some more for you, and if that's what you're looking for, I can be happy to do so. Okay, Yeoman, yes, Florida. I don't know at this point in time. I would say that you're, if I'm not mistaken, I believe you're in the second batch, which is being put together right now, as you can see behind me, and that's where I believe you are right now in that. So unfortunately, I just don't have it in front of me. Um, okay, that's all the questions that we have so far. I did not know the Photoshop CC has has 3D printing. That's actually kind of interesting. Um, Although it makes total and complete sense. So let me go and pop it. Um, Now, if they're adding it to what they currently already have when it comes to what they, oh, okay, yeah, I see what they're, okay, yeah. That makes total sense. It makes total sense that they would be able to do something like that. In fact, one thing that you can do um, inside of Libre is you can actually export your file to a 3D PDF. Go from there. So, um, we'll see. Very, very interesting. Anyway, yeah, Surface, I'm right there with you. They definitely should have used Illustrator. Um, the one that you had a lot of issues. We had to do a full teardown on one of them, on one of the, for just one of the issues. So, and I'm glad that we did. Let's see. Yes, you can export a STL from Libre as well. Yes. Any updates on the tool holders? Yes, Pro Guy, we have them. We'll have to show you exactly how to put them together on your system, and so as long as you've got a drill with the correct drill bit, and a tap, it'll be simple and easy to install those particular the tool holders. So very, very, very good. In fact, while you guys are typing up questions, give me a moment. Alright. So, Pro Guy. Yes, you'll be getting not one but two of these guys that you see right here. What had to be done, thankfully my father, if you're watching, thank you very much for coming out and helping us out with the machining of these guys. It was about making the slots right for each individual block. This is just one of their tester blocks. So it fits in just as is. There you go, with Gibbs. So, the only thing you have to do is that you've got a total of 3 holes. You got to drill into the 80-20 that's in the back, and for each one of these guys, so a total of 6 holes. Tap it for an M3, and we'll provide you with the screws, and you're good to go. So, that's where we're at as of right now. Let's see. Okay, sorry about that. Anywho, let's see. Good, thank you, Les. So you did receive the replacement parts. Okay, for two 4-hour prints with good results. Fantastic. All right. And Pro Guy, I'll be sending this stuff to you. Just so you know, I'll be sending these guys to you this week. So good. All right. I'd only suggest that if you've got a snap, I'm very sure you got a snap punch, to use that first. It just makes things a lot easier. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that needs to be said tonight. No, there's not really this. Like I said before, guys, there wasn't that very much that happened this week. In regards to most of the stuff, like I said, 2 people working, and bless Davo's heart. You know, he's been coming in, even if it's for an hour here or there, coming in, trying to help out as best he can, and then having to go. So, Davo, thank you. Anywho, yeah. So, we have our goals for this week. Our goals this week, just so you guys know, and what we're looking to do, ship. I want to ship 3, at least 3, possibly 4 printers out this week. That's a tall order. It may not seem like a tall order, but it is a tall order. Beyond that, I want to have 5 more systems up, running, and burning in. And we'll see how we do. So, that's where we are. If you guys are having issues with any one of your printers, please don't hesitate to try and get in touch with us. We should have a full crew in here this week, which is a good thing, and we'll do whatever is necessary in order to help you guys out. So, most of the issues we've already seen, we know what's going on, And but yeah, that's where we are. So unless anybody has any other questions, um, and I'll leave this up here for the next couple of minutes, please type it in, let us know, and we'll go from there. So otherwise, um, the next couple of minutes, I'll probably okay, yeah. Thank you, pro guy. Um, so um, let's see. I saw him. Yes, Carl is currently working on the software as well. So everybody who's asking for the software, it's being worked on. It's not quite ready yet. So we should have a solution imminently. I don't want to say that, but truthfully, guys, it could take another week or so before the software is ready to go. So, anyway, all right. If anyone else has any questions, oh, thank you, Constant. I'm just gonna go ahead and call the broadcast tonight, and I'm sorry we didn't have more to show to you guys tonight, but that's where we currently are right now. So, um, everyone have a good night, and we'll see you in the next broadcast. And yeah, and I think Carl should be returning that night, so I'm not sure if he's going to be on the next broadcast. I know I'll be doing it, so yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining us again here tonight. That's the state of the state, and that's where we are. So we're still on the job. We're still going to do this, and we're still going to get it completed. So, all right, guys. Have a good night.